Hello, Mark here from Out of Office Camping, and I wanted to just share with you a very quick, simple fix. What we're going to do today is basically replace the cover for this 30 amp power cord, and this camper itself is the Coleman 1999 Utah. Now this is a more or less a universal cover. Size on this happens to be about 3.5, but this cover itself actually covers from 3 to 4.5. It covers the 30 amp power cord, which is what the Coleman has here, our Coleman, up to a 50. So let's go ahead and get started. The first, tool-wise, if you happen to have one of these crazy sets with just about everything in it, sometimes you have one of the adapters which can fit all the different bits. On ours, it just has the small little nut, more or less, screw, I guess you could say. But I'm using a socket driver, screwdriver, Phillips. And so you just pull out the bit and then just start with that. So next, you want to get your Phillips all set up. Just have that ready for the next batch to replace the screws. Because in this set here, you'll actually get the cover and then some stick-on, more or less like a seal. But what we actually went ahead and did is replace the seal with a set that we got, which were foam, and we ordered that up. In the links below, I'll put that information for both this cover and also the foam set of 3 that we had ordered up. So next, go ahead and pull this off. Basically, you're just going to pull it through the housing here. Now, mine, I've actually already went ahead and replaced this, so I have the new seal installed, but the old seal I kept here so I could just show you. Now, this is the new seal sticky on one side, so if this seal itself is still staying on here and you're having a hard time, just take either like a X-Acto or a razor blade to just kind of pull it off, or something to take that extra seal off the old one so you can put the new one on. And then maybe if there's some of the sticky still attached, just use some rubbing alcohol. All right, so next, and this is actually what comes with the new cover itself. But like I said, we went ahead and ordered up a set of 3, and I'll put that in the links. These are the 2 that are remaining for other parts of the camper that we will replace other covers. So this, not using. New seal, go ahead and put that on. Make sure you have your holes lined up. Open up your hatch, lift up your door. And the nice thing is the new kit comes with some really nice white screws, and that's it. Put those back in. Voila, all done. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. We're new, so we're starting the channel now. If you like to see more content like this, we are going to be doing a great deal more on this Coleman. So stay tuned and please subscribe. You know what to do. Go ahead and hit that Out of Office Camping. Just in case you didn't realize, I actually have a helper. Yep. All right. She was supervising the whole time. All right. See you later. Run along. She can't get a good help anymore. Yeah. See, just non-stop. Talk, talk, talk.